And if a difficulty touches you, it is indeed only God who can truly and absolutely remove it, for that difficulty has also come from God. Believers see it this way. Indeed, the command is His, and not only when solving difficulties. Sending difficulties repeatedly, if He touches you with harm, there is no remover of it except Him. Some do not understand this and say, why would God cause harm? Would God harm His servant? In their minds, the Almighty is always healing, always trying to provide benefits. So where does the harm come from? They must have another God in their minds, like Satan, who can cause harm and bring about misfortune. But in reality, neither harm nor benefit, nor any movement or action can even begin to form or come into existence without the Almighty's permission, consent, and creation, which is absolute and all-encompassing and encompasses every aspect of existence. Therefore, we are indeed believers who truly know that all power, both in creation and governance, comes completely and utterly from God. This monotheistic belief, which we understand through reason, and which the Almighty has enabled us to know, is the greatest blessing. With this monotheism, we free ourselves from servitude to servants, to objects, to things, to stars, to people, and this is the virtue that God, the mighty and the majestic, has bestowed upon the children of Adam. Therefore, if you look at the expression of the verse, while it has also inflicted harm, and if He touches you with harm, there is no remover of it except Him. There is no one other than Him who can remove that harm from you.